Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix install Realtek audio driver failure error code 0001, then let's look at the following solutions. The first solution would be is to update the uh, Realtek drivers, the audio drivers. So to update, we need to go to device manager, look for the audio drivers, and look for Realtek audio. Right click on this and update driver. So that should fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then we will have to update Windows. So for that, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates. And in advanced options, if there are any optional updates, we need to update that also. If this doesn't fix the problem too, then we need to install the Realtek audio drivers package. So for that, we need to look for Realtek audio drivers. Click on this and then click on this link, PC codecs. So you have to look for the right driver for your version of Windows, and that would, and most of our computers run on 62 64 bits, so you have to find out which is the right driver for you, download it and then install. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.